Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Nissan Micra K13. This is a 2012 and I'm just going to show you how you can adjust the time, the date and time in here. This is showing at the moment 1 o'clock, but the actual time shown as here is nearly 4 o'clock now. So this adjusts automatically if you have it in the auto setting. So if you go to systems and you go to clock, it's set clock automatically is on, which adjusts itself. However, that doesn't adjust this one here. And in order to adjust the one there, you have these two buttons on the side here. So if you press that button there and you toggle through the menu here until you come to this, then you press the one next to that and go to time setting. Then you select it with the menu button again, and then you go to, no, let me go back to, okay, so select the time and then press the menu button, and then with the button on the side, the one with the dot, go to current time and then select it with the button on the left, and again press that to go to settings, and then press that to go to the date. So we can adjust the date here by pressing this button here, and today is actually today is the 9th, and then with the auto button we move along. So this is the 9th of January, so that's okay, and it's 2024, believe it or not, and the time is now 1600. So let's go to 1600. 6:01 is now. It's only gonna take me half an hour to get through the okay, almost there. 16:01, and then with that press enter and press that again, the same button. That will take you back and back, and you can then skip that, and now you have 16:01. So that's pretty much how you could adjust the time and the date on the car if you've changed the battery or something like that. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you for watching.